wait, no, start over. Bells in my brain doing cartwheels, tripped on a garland, blamed the garland. The garland apologized. I wrapped a gift, unwrapped a gift, forgot the gift existed. Is that my stocking or your stocking? Or a sock I emotionally committed to? Fa la 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 la, way back up. I lost the melody inside my head. It ran left and right, then left again. Now it's hiding under the sled. Deck the holes and also myself, 'cause frankly I need supervision. Toy to the world, but mostly me. I am a limited edition. I said calm down, I said it loud. Then I argued with myself for yelling. The ornaments started eavesdropping. So now they're in on everything I'm telling. The snowflakes gossip, the tinsel lies, the nutcracker wave. I tried to be serious, truly I did, but serious slipped, and I support him. Fa la la la, stop, restart. Why are my lyrics printing off? Silent night, except my brain, which coughs, then scoffs, then waltzes off. Hark the herald angels, why? They said my vibe is too specific. I said your robe is wrinkled, babe, and things got hierarchical real quick. Jingle jangle, dangle, spangle, wrangle, language scramble, tinsel tangle. Why did I rhyme that? Don't ask me, ask the elf inside my skull. She's unionized. Fine, whatever, roll the dice. If Christmas needs a wild card, I volunteer, I'm twice the price. Chaotic, poetic, magnetic,